Hello everybody, I'm Gabi from Gabi DIY and Decor, and today I'm going to show a project that is both easy and fun. It's about how to customize wax candles using paper napkins. This project is about transferring an image from the paper napkin on the candle using heat. For this, we are going to need a candle, wax candle because it has a lower melting point, paper napkins with prints. We have different kinds here, but I'm going to use only one, this one, some masking tape, scissors, parchment paper, and a blow dryer. Also, because we're going to heat the candle, we need something to protect the hand, so I'm going to use this towel because usually oven mitts are too big for my hand. First of all, let's see what I'm going to transfer on this candle. So I decided to cut this part with the two birds, and choose only the first layer of the napkin because that's the one I'm going to use. I'll try to use as much as I can from this image. I'll cut off all the extra paper from the napkin because I'm not going to transfer it. There's no use to make it stick to the candle, and I will also keep all those notes here. Now that I cut it off, I'm going to take only the first layer of the napkin. Just have to be careful not to tear it off. Okay, and place it over the napkin, the candle. Well, if the image is too big, you'll make some room for it. Now I'm going to place the second bird. Just cut off the extra paper from the image and place it right here. Okay. Now I need the parchment paper to wrap all the candle and protect the image while transferring using heat. I already cut the parchment paper on size. I only need to wrap it. But first of all, I need to be sure that the parchment paper won't overlap here over the image. I have to wrap it really tight because it doesn't need to make any bubbles. Okay, now I'm going to fix it with a bit of masking tape. And the second one. Now, with the parchment paper overlapping on the back side of the candle, we are going to work to transfer the image on the candle. We are going to use the blow dryer, but it's very important to protect the hands. As I said, I don't have oven mitts on my side, so I'm going to use this small towel. Let's start with the heat, using the heat. When you're heating the candle, you'll see that the color is changing. It's like the image is peeling off, but actually this image is transferring to the candle. You have to keep heating and heating until all the image is going darker. You see, it's going darker. You can see the contrast here, how it looks here, with only a bit of transfer over here. And I have to keep heating so all the image is going to transfer on the candle. As you see, it only takes a few minutes for the image to transfer. Don't overheat it because the candle might melt too much. You have to let it cool down a bit. Then you may unwrap it. Let's see how it looks. Now you can see easily where the image still needs a bit of heat to transfer, like here, you see? It's not all the image that stick to the candle, so I need to put the wrap back and heat again. Now it's done. You can see how the image has been transferred from the paper napkin to the candle using heat.